Alright, so Crewton Ramone's House of Math.
.com.
Doing the negative ones. This one, like I said, if you're watching this, you have a password. Or somebody with a password gave you the link. So, I have x squared. X squared minus x minus 6. There's x squared. When we put them on top, that's minus. When we're using our imagination, we're cutting them off, right? Now, is there any way we can factor this? Just with these blocks right here? Just these blocks right here? Can I factor these?
No.
What do you think?
Yeah.
What do you think?
I think so.
Okay, what could you do with just these blocks? Bless you.
You could do like this. You could just like switch them around if you add hero 0.
Oh, you got to add hero 0. That's good. But I'm saying if I just had these blocks, is there anything I can do to this?
No.
All right, and you can do this with your kids. No. Is there anything I can add to this?
Nope. No.
And we're gonna say I can't add nothing. There's nothing I could add to this, is there?
Yep.
In math, we have a name for nothing.
Yep. 0.
0. Hero 0. So let's add nothing.
Beep.
Go ahead. So here I'm gonna add x.
And take it away.
And then I'm gonna take it away. Right? How much will fit there now?
2.
Now there's a reason for doing that because ooh, look at this. But watch what happens. Anyway, okay, so didn't have enough room, still can't fit them. Wait. Add another 0. Have to add another 0. Okay.
Stop.
Go ahead. Okay, so you put -1, but now what happened to the 0? If you just put negative, what else do we have to do?
And hero 0.
Hero 0. You need a positive 1 and a negative 1. So here's the positive 1. Here's the negative 1. You see that? A negative x and a positive x makes how much? What's 1 minus 1?
1 minus 1.
Is what? Look at him. What's 1 minus 1?
1 minus 1. 0. 0.
Here, have x. Alright, but wait, I take away x. How many do you have?
3.
How many do you have?
What? 0.
0. Here, have an x. Oh, wait, but I take away x. Here, how many do you have?
0.
Oh, wait, here, have 3x. There, so you have 3x. But wait a minute, I take away 3x. How many do you have? How many do you have? 0.
0.
So same thing. If you have 1, but then I take away 1, how many do you have?
0.
0. Okay, so where were we? We were over here figuring out that I had to add 0. I couldn't just fool around and put a -1 there, right? Okay. I can't. Alright, so it's the thing. If you add 0, you don't really change the number. Right? If you multiply by 1, you don't really change the number. Understanding the concept of 0 and 1. Okay, and then they just stuck that in there. Now we have to take a look.
6.
And take a look. Oh. What does this guy see? Let's have him lay down. So he's laying down. Turn his head sideways. What does he see?
Lean there.
What's this side? It's going to be harder because they're used to having a blue one there. But what's this side?
X squared plus.
Is it x squared?
No.
Just the edge.
X squared.
So, okay, so here's a good way to explain to little kids and to adults. What's this right here?
100.
100. So if I look at this side, is it very good? Okay, you see, because he already saw where I was going. If I look at this side, but wait, for the 5-year-old, if I look at this side, look over here. Is this side 100?
No.
What is it? How many right here?
10.
10.
Or X.
Oh, if it's over it, if I flip it over, it's X, right? But isn't this a 10 square?
Yep, 10 square.
It's a 10 square. And what's the name for 10 square? Another name for 10 square? What do we call this?
X squared.
If it's on this side, it's a X square. What do we just call this? Don't get all fancy.
100.
What's it called?
100.
Okay. But 100, we could call it 100. We could also call it a 10 square. And isn't this one side 10?
10.
And 10 times 10 is 100, right? Same thing over here. X times X is what?
100.
There you go. X times X is what?
100.
X times X is what?
X squared.
What is it?
X squared.
X squared. 10 times 10 is 100. But x times x is just x squared.
Yeah.
So this side right here is what? Just this side is what? If it's this side, it's 10. But now I'm on the x squared side. So what's this side right here?
X.
X. Very good. All right. So this side's x. This side's also x, and the whole thing's x squared.
Yeah.
So now our man over here, what does he see? He said it already. Oh, it's nap time. See? I told you guys. They're like, oh, it's not nap time. Let's go run around in the park.
Yeah, I'm going to go to the foul.
Yep. Plus how many? Just looking at the edge. There you go. Now comes the tricky side. This guy. Where's the other man? You got him. All right, bring him here. All right, so. All right. So turn his head sideways so he can see. All right, put him down. All right, so now he's laying down there. What does he see?
X.
Okay, and what?
X.
Did he go all the way up X?
No.
We cut some off, didn't we?
Yep.
You, pay attention. Pay attention. This is important. Okay.
It's half X. Half X.
Oh, I missed it. He's paying attention face. Anyway, okay. So what did I do? I went up X, but I didn't go up X. How much did I cut off?
Half.
Did I cut off half?
No.
We can count how much I cut off. How many did I cut off?
3.
3. Don't get all fancy. Just because we're fooling around with negatives doesn't mean we're getting fancy or anything. How many's right there?
3.
3. Can we count it?
Yeah.
Count it.
6.
Just count right here on the edge.
3.
That's it. So I have X. Should I say plus 3?
No. Minus 3.
Oh, why should I say minus 3?
Because it cuts off some 3.
Because it cuts it off by 3.
Yep.
So the factors are X plus 2 and X minus 3. Okay. So there it is.
X minus 6.
Right. X squared minus X minus 6 is the same thing as X plus 2 times X plus 3. Right? That's it. That's all we did.
Yep.
Okay. Do the next one by yourself.
Okay.
X squared minus X minus 2. So let's get these guys out of here. We have X squared minus X
Minus 12.
minus 2. We're just going to do the next one. Alright, we stretch and then we're going to come down. Right? All we have to do now to complete the task is do what? What do we need? We got negative and negative. What do we have to do? When things get negative, we like hero 0. Right? We don't. When things get too negative, we get hero 0. So what do I got to do?
You have my guy out of you.
Okay. One guy put that, and the other guy put this. So there's the plus X. Alright, somebody do the hero 0. Put the 0, 0.
Got on.
Alright, done. Wait. Do I need another hero 0? Okay, where's that 2 gonna go?
Right there.
Right there.
Cuts off 2.
Alright, so now what do we have? What are the factors? Tell me the factors. Count it. What's this side right here? X plus?
Plus 1.
And what's this side?
X plus.
Wait, X plus?
X plus.
Is it plus?
No, X minus 2.
What is it?
X minus 2.
You see it? Point to the minus 2.
0 came and ate 2.
Right, there you go. Okay, very good job. So can I write this down?
Yep.
Alright, so easy. I say...
Yep.
Uh-oh. Got too many blocks here.
They're shaking hands.
Okay, X squared minus X minus 2 is the same thing as X plus 1. That's what that guy saw, right? And the other guy saw X...
Plus.
Is it plus?
X minus.
Yeah. What? How many? Minus how many?
2.
Yeah, there you go. That's what it looks like when you write it down.
Yeah.
Pretty easy, right?
Yeah.
Alright, now let's do a tricky one. Let's do one where you might have to do it more than once. Look over here. What's that? X squared minus an X minus 12.
Minus 12.
Okay, now I'm going to let you guys figure out how to get the 12 out. What do you think? How should we get the 12 out?
4s?
Okay, go ahead. Get 4s. Oh, wait, we got 4s. Where we got 4s?
On my 4. On my door.
They're hiding underneath there. There you go.
Door.
Underneath there.
On my door.
Okay. So just luckily he decided to get out 4s. But you could see very quickly, you could make a lesson where they're not wrong, they're just getting more information if they decided to get out 2 6s. Or he could have got out 3s, right? Okay, he already got it. Alright, so now, make a place for him to be. Add 1, take away 1. Bless you.
Add 1.
That's taking away 1. This is adding 1. Right? Okay, how many can fit there now?
2 only.
Okay, only 2. We want to fit 12, so we better do some more. So add 1, take away 1.
And then take away 1.
So there's the take away 1. Add 1.
Take away 1.
Oh wait, first you gotta do that.
Add 1.
Okay, so add 1, take away 1. What's that? If I add 1, I take away 1. How many is that?
3.
I have taken away 3, but if I add 1 and I take away 1, what have I actually added?
2.
Have I added 2?
No.
If I add 1 and I take away 1,
You added X.
X. If I add 1, here. If I add 1, but then I take away 1, what have I added? What do you have?
0.
0. So I add 1 and I take away 1. I've actually added 0. Let's do it again. Here, have 1. Wait, I'm gonna take it away. So how many do you have left? How much do you have left?
0.
How much do you have?
0.
0. So here's what I'm doing. I'm adding 1, but I take away 1. I'll put this 12 back up there.
0.
How many can I fit now?
3.
Yep. Okay, so let's do it again. I can fit 3. I can fit. How many can I fit here?
2. 1. 2. 3. 3 right there.
How many could I fit there? Tell me the answer.
2. 2.
Just 2? Could fit a lot more than 2 there.
12.
Could I fit 12 there?
You can do this. 4s.
2? Can I fit 2 4s here?
No.
Oh, they don't fit.
4.
Could I fit 4 here?
No.
Tell me the answer. How many can I fit here?
2 and 2.
What about that?
2. And 2.
Okay, so how many is it?
6.
I can fit 6. I don't want to fit 6. I want to fit 12.
12.
So how am I going to fit there? So what I got to do? I'm going to have to add another 0.
0, 0, 0,
Add another 0. Add another 0.
Add 0.
Add another 0.
I thought I did.
Alright, do it.
I did 0.
Okay, you just added 1. You didn't add 0. Okay, so you take away 1. You have to add 1. You add 1. Grab another one. Grab one over here and add it.
0, 0.
Put it here.
0.
What do I have now? I just added another. Ooh, now how many will fit there?
4.
See if those guys will fit there.
No, wait,
Right, use 2 hands, child.
Yeah.
Use 2 hands.
2 hands. 2 hands. I do that. Please.
Okay. And then you got to fit it on there. Alright. There you go. Need some manual dexterity. Use the whole brain. Now comes the tricky part. Tell me the factors.
Oh, no.
Count it.
X minus 4.
Okay, count across first, always.
X plus 3, X minus 4.
Very good. It's getting easier, huh?
Yep. Look.
Okay, see, that's what happens. You do more, right? So, X minus 3, X minus, I have to write it down.
I'll never say it.
So there it is, X squared minus X minus 12, and the answer is X plus 3. All we're saying is, look, this is the rectangle, those are the sides. And we have to use our imagination that much more. Ow, darn it. I need a blank sheet of paper. Here you go. Blank sheet of paper. We're just using our imagination that part's cut off. Right? That part doesn't exist. So it's X minus, but we have to keep track. We have to know that it's X minus 4. Alright, so the last one, and then we're done. And then it's nap time, I can tell. X squared minus 2x minus 15.
Minus 15.
Yes, do it. So, build it.
5.
We're building it as, okay, so here we go. X squared minus 2x. Look, you already got the 15, let him. I'm very happy that my little boy knows that 15 would be 3 5s.
Yep.
Right? This little boy. Alright, so put them on here. Stop fooling around. build it. All right, now, what do we need?
Hero
Zero. So how many Hero Zeros do you think we're gonna need?
5.
You think we're gonna need 5? Let's do it one at a time and see.
3 Hero Zeros.
You think it's gonna be 3? Let's find out. Let's put one on and see what happens. So we add 1 and then you have to take away 1. You put the take away 1. That's adding. Put the take away 1. Let him do it. Take away. Put it in take away. There's the add 1. You need to put it in take away. So that's 0, right? Added 1, took away 1. Oops, not enough. Try it again. Add 1, take away 1.
Add 1.
Okay, so somebody do it.
Give me the other.
Add 1.
Take away.
And then take away 1. All right. Let's then stop and assess what we have here. Oops. How many would fit here now?
4.
Okay. Try it again. Oh wait a minute. You said 4, but is it just 1 4?
No. 2 4.
What's the name for 2 4s?
8.
Very good.
8.
All right. So now I think we can probably fit it if we just do one more Hero Zero. So let's do it. One more Hero Zero. Add 1. Somebody put it on there for take away 1. Alright, flip that guy over there. Alright, so then, are they going to fit?
Yes, they are.
Okay. So what do we have?
X plus 3. X minus 5.
Very, very good.
Yeah.
Alright, so let's write it down.